Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Nimhans Bangalore, which is an institute of national importance, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. So in this video, information regarding Nimhans Bangalore, Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2024 will be given. Admissions for Master of Public Health, important dates, and other information will be discussed. Nimhans Bangalore, which provides a stipend of rupees 25 per month for MPH course. So in this video, all the information regarding MPH admission 2024-25 for Nimhans Bangalore will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA and other competitive exams like Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH Pune University, Lucknow University, CMC Vellore, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, so a student can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first I will give you information regarding important dates for Nimhans Bangalore MPH admissions 2024-25. This is the advertisement of 15th of February 2024. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Institute of National Importance, Hussaur Road, Bengaluru, India 560029. This is admission notice for MPH and other PhD and master degree courses. So Master of Public Health, total number of seats are 10. All India category unreserved 2, OBC 1, ST 1. Karnataka state domicile category unreserved 1 and sponsored category 5. So total number of seats for MPH admissions 2024-25 are 10, and for all India category unreserved, for unreserved category 2 seats are there, OBC category 1 seat and ST category 1 seat, Karnataka state domicile category unreserved 1 seat and sponsored category 5 seats. So on 5 seats there is a provision for stipend which is 25,000 per month. Now I am giving important dates regarding MPH and other PG and PhD courses. Important dates are date of advertisement of admission notification. Admission notification came on 15th of February 2024. Start date and end date for submission of online application form. Last date is 16th of March 2024. Date of conduct of entrance test at Nimhans Bangalore for all courses. Date of conduct of entrance test. So entrance exam dates is 25th and 26th May 2024. So now I will give other details. This is the prospectus. So this is the prospectus for Nimhans Bangalore, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Nimhans, Institute of National Importance, Bengaluru, India. Prospectus 2024-25, postgraduate course admission, July session. Nimhans Hospital is NABH accredited. So in this video, information regarding Master of Public Health is given, will be provided. So this is detail regarding Master of Public Health. General guidelines for admission to Master of Public Health course. Department in which master's course is offered. Name of the department is Department of Epidemiology. General eligibility, eligible qualification as specified for the course concerned. For applicants applying under sponsored category, Indian national applicants who are permanent employees sponsored or deputed by the state or central government or public sector undertakings of state or central government or institutions, universities can apply through sponsored or deputation category. Other requirements: applicants should have pursued and awarded qualification from an institution or university recognized by Medical Council of India or Rehabilitation Council of India or Indian Nursing Council or other statutory bodies as relevant. Mode of selection: seats under institute fellowship, seats under sponsored category. So mode of selection for seats under institute fellowship and seats under sponsored category: entrance test and verification of original certificates on the day of admission. Duration of course is 2 years. So this is a 2 years course. Qualifying marks in entrance test for unreserved OBC EWS category, 50% marks are qualifying marks, and for SC ST PWBD category 45% marks are the qualifying marks. For entrance test, age criteria as on day of course commencement, age criteria is maximum 45 years. Emoluments: institute stipendiary, applicant selected under institute stipendiary category, rupees 25 per month. So students will get rupees 25 per month stipend. No emoluments for candidates selected for seats against vacant seats of sponsored category. Sponsored category, applicants selected under sponsored category or who are drawing pay and allowances from their employers, but employers are not eligible for any emoluments from institute. Fees for the course is rupees 96,500 excluding hostel charges as applicable. So fees is for 2 years course 96,500. This is excluding hostel charges as applicable. For details refer to fees section of the prospectus. Leave under institute stipendiary category: 30 days of annual leave. Any other form of leave availed shall be without a stipend. All leaves for candidates selected under external fellowship or sponsored category shall be governed by leaves rule of the external fellowship agency concerned. So here department is epidemiology, and minimum requirement for admission: eligibility criteria is MBBS or Bachelor of Dental Sciences or postgraduate degree in sociology, statistics, environmental sciences, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, health management, social work, economics, speech pathology and audiology, speech pathology, audiology, nursing. Seats offered: 5 seats under institute stipendiary category. So 5 seats are there under institute stipendiary category and 5 seats under sponsored category. If the seats under sponsored category are not filled, then seats will be filled by the eligible candidate from institute stipendiary category without fellowship. Kindly refer to guidelines for details. Program of study: the Master of Public Health MPS course was started from the academic year 2013-14. The goal was to bridge the gap in human resources and to strengthen public health capability of health and health related sector. The MPS course aims to develop quality public health specialists who will be able to efficiently and effectively manage the constantly evolving health situation and systems of the country. The course, based on adult learning principles, would be skilled based and adopt a modular learner centered methodology. The course will have mental health and neurosciences as the thrust areas and will also focus on practice of public health principles and tools. So in this video, information regarding Nimhans Bangalore Master of Public Health MPH course has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration and other competitive exams like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, PGI MEA Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, CMC Vellore, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.